Hey friends, what buzzing honey of a friend are we going to do a craft for now? The bee. That's right. For our rainbow collection we did a bee craft already. I wonder what we could do differently this time. We are going to do an egg carton craft. So we're going to make a baby bumblebee out of a part of an egg carton. So you can cut it or have mom and dad grown up help you cut, and just try to get all of it around one section so it's going to stand up. See, it's just going to be, this is going to be the whole thing, the whole body, right? So we need to make it a color, so we're going to paint it. And I'm just going to paint my whole egg carton yellow. Go ahead and do that, and come on back and see what it looks like when it's dry. I have my yellow baby bumblebee started with the part of the egg carton. Remember, if you don't have paint, you could just color it with markers. Then I took a napkin, just a regular napkin, and I cut out wing shapes, 2 wing shapes. And I cut out little circles for the eyes and put a black circle in the middle with a marker. So I'm going to first glue on the wings. I'm going to glue those on the top of the egg carton. See? There. I'm going to put my stripes right over top of that. You can glue strips of paper. So I just cut little strips of paper. They can be narrow like this or big wide strips. There we go, like that. It has stripes, it has wings, it needs a face. So now glue the eyes on. You can put a smile on there. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Isn't he as cute as can be? I hope you have fun making your baby bumblebee. Bye.